doing this free migration from your ClickFunnels account to the GoHighLevel account. Anybody considering to do that, anybody who has already planned or probably on the verge of it, this is a must-watch video for you. And let me tell you, there's no gimmick, there's no some catch that you need to pay this and that. It is free, and why we are taking this, you will get to learn. Just watch quickly in the slides, just bear with me, and I'm going to come to the point. So basically, still paying too much for the ClickFunnels is the smarter move. If you're tired of expensive monthly ClickFunnels, we guys have been a user of ClickFunnels. What all that they are offering, like unlimited funnels and stuff, that is basically the GoHighLevel actually provides in one sub account the entire ClickFunnels feature that you have. Apart from that, the AI chatbot and voice agents and so many more things. So I mean, it is a no-brainer. I don't even compare anymore. But for the people, I understand, like all your stuff is there on the ClickFunnels, so that's why you are reluctant at how it is going to work if I transition onto the GoHighLevel. So here's the solution for you. So here's the second page for this: why marketers and agencies are switching from the ClickFunnels to the GoHighLevel. Again, all-in-one funnel builder and CRM automation tools, save hundreds every month compared to the ClickFunnels pricing. Unlimited funnels, unlimited contacts, like as I said, AI chatbot, voice agent, and just one sub account of GoHighLevel where you have unlimited sub account, unlimited businesses that you can host. One sub account is equal to entire ClickFunnels, and apart from that, the AI chatbot, voice agents, and all these things, and they consistently keep on developing. Then the reason people are not able to switch is because of that they will have to rebuild the funnels, automations that is already set in the ClickFunnels. It is complex. Agencies are charging $600 to $2,000 to migrate everything, and you're not even sure, like probably whether like they will keep on asking more money and what it will look like. So what we are doing, your migration is 100% onto us. All we are asking is to sign up for the free trial of GoHighLevel. So when you sign up for GoHighLevel using my link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. If you type in the browser this thing, it is a special link created by GoHighLevel for me because I am their premium affiliate. Instead of 14-day free trial, you get 30-day free trial. Imagine you are having 30-day free trial, you're not paying, so it's 100% risk-free thing. Because like in case you're wondering whether migration will be happening or not easily and stuff, 30 days is enough for entire migration to be completed. So full ClickFunnels to GoHighLevel migration handled by my expert team. All your funnels, automation workflows recreated, personal onboarding. And why should you listen to me? Like if you watch my YouTube channel, like I'm an insider of GoHighLevel. Like I have been dealing with GoHighLevel from several years. I'm their premium affiliate. I've done interview. This is the CEO and the co-founder, by the way, Sean Clark of GoHighLevel, like the biggest shareholder. I've done one more interview with the second co-founder as well. It is all on my YouTube channel. So guys, I've been doing, and this is from the last year. I'm planning another interview in the coming time. So what you'll get when you join with my link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, free ClickFunnels to GoHighLevel migration, which is like a big task, but I will be covering all the charges. My entire team will be doing all this for you. If you actually go out to pay for it, it's a huge amount, but we are doing it completely free. 30 days of free GoHighLevel trial instead of 14 days. And then this 127 niche snapshots. Basically, this is value $10,000 plus, and I only give to my affiliates. Here, you are even getting it niche. One snapshot is basically you click, let's say, real estate snapshot. You click button, all the email sequences, the website, funnel, automation, everything gets imported. It's like one business running one snapshot. 127 niche snapshot valued so much. And then of course, like one-to-one personal WhatsApp access and onboarding, because like initially you will, while migration, all that is happening. And anyways, HighLevel also provides that onboarding. Why we are offering this, that is the question. My mission is actually, I've made it a goal. I believe in GoHighLevel so much that being partner with them, premium affiliate of them, I have this goal of 10,000 entrepreneurs move their business to GoHighLevel. We are willing to take a short-term cost. Like it's not even a short-term, right? Like for several months I'll take a hit. Like it's a major cost that I need to spend for all that migration, given the amount people are charging, the experts are charging. So once you experience GoHighLevel, you will never go back with the kind of value that they're building. So definitely it is an amazing deal that you are going to get, and it's all within the free trial itself. So like it's not like upfront we are charging or anything. Anyways, we are not charging anything anytime. So click my GoHighLevel link, like type in the browser gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, sign up for the 30-day free trial, WhatsApp me here. This is my Dubai number. WhatsApp works here. So I'm going to form a quick group between you, me, and my expert who's going to handle all your migration, like migration expert, complete migration. Or you can email me here as well to start your migration. Like of course, make sure you join the GoHighLevel first, and then My expert completes your migration, you get onboarded personally, and then 3 to 5 business days, everything is done. What others are saying, like, yes, other like the exact, these are the wording. Migration was quick. They have moved all my. We save hundreds per month, gain new automation tools, and onboarding was amazing. So again, guys, free migration offer, limited to capacity. Why I write? Because I imagine like if like so many people will be joining, like. If you are watching this video, if you happen to find this, if you email me and WhatsApp me that hey, I've joined it, that means you have seen this, then I owe it to you. I'll do whatever it takes and complete your migration smoothly and with quality person. We have a super expert, migration expert for this. So migration slots are limited, I would say. So utilize this as an opportunity. As long as you are able to see this message, GoHighLevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, 30-day free trial, free migration. So you getting free migration, the biggest task, 30-day free trial, snapshots value $10,000 plus, onboarding, support, moving from expensive to efficient product, which is supported. Like lately I was seeing Tony Robbins hosting his event onto GoHighLevel thing. Frank Kern, Billie Jean all moved to GoHighLevel. They initially they used to promote the ClickFunnels and stuff. Now GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. Start your journey, and it is on us for the complete migration. Contact me on the WhatsApp right after you start or the email. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.